Ferrari just turned up the heat again. Meet the 2026 Ferrari 296 Special and its open-air sibling, the Speciale A. These aren't just upgraded versions of the 296 GTB and GTS. They're purebred track-ready beasts with hybrid efficiency. Let's dive into what makes these machines so special. The beating heart of the 2026 296 Speciale is a beastly evolution of Ferrari's 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 plug-in hybrid system. But this time, it's packing an insane 880 horsepower, up from the standard 819. That's enough to launch it from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.7 to 2.8 seconds, with a top speed over 205 miles per hour. That's 330 kilometers per hour for the metric-minded. And get this, with a power-to-weight ratio of 624 horsepower per ton, this thing doesn't just accelerate, it teleports. It's not just about brute force either. The hybrid system has been fine-tuned for faster response, sharper throttle inputs, and even more aggressive energy recovery during braking. But raw power means nothing without control. That's where the Speciale shines. Thanks to extensive weight-saving measures, the coupe tips the scales at just 1,410 kilograms. That's 3,109 pounds. While the convertible, the SpecialeA, comes in at 1,490 kilograms or 3,285 pounds. And aerodynamics? Oh, it's got plenty of that. A new front fascia, vertical rear fins, and an active rear spoiler work together to increase downforce and sharpen cornering like never before. Every curve, every vent, every line has a purpose: speed. These cars were born on the track and built for the driver who wants more than just straight-line speed. The chassis has been stiffened, the ABS system upgraded with Evo logic, and a new fast shift strategy ensures lightning-fast gear changes under the most aggressive driving conditions. This isn't just a weekend cruiser. The 296 Special is your personal track weapon disguised as a street-legal supercar. From the front apron with its massive air intake to the sculpted carbon fiber side sills and reshaped rear diffuser, the Speciale wears its racing DNA proudly. Inspired by Ferrari's motorsport heritage, this car doesn't just look fast, it screams competition. And let's not forget the SpecialeA, the drop-top version that adds wind-in-the-hair excitement without sacrificing performance or style. Inside, the minimalist layout remains, dominated by a high-res digital dashboard and intuitive controls. But the Speciale goes further. Slimmer, lighter sports seats with integrated headrests and full 6-point harnesses keep you locked in place when things get serious. It's still luxurious. This is a Ferrari after all, but every material choice was made with one goal: reduce weight and maximize driver engagement. And here's the kicker. Despite all this performance, the 296 Speciale still offers a plug-in hybrid system. With around 16 miles of electric-only range and a top speed of 135 kilometers per hour in EV mode, you can sneak through the city guilt-free before unleashing hell on the highway. So, when can you get behind the wheel? The Speciale Coupe is expected to land in the US in early 2026, with the SpecialeA convertible following a few months later. As for price, well, be ready to write a very big check. Estimates put the Speciale at around $500,000, and the drop-top SpecialeA pushing $700,000 to $800,000 USD. And good luck getting on the list. These are limited-run models, and Ferrari buyers know how to play the game. In a world where hypercars chase ever higher numbers, the 2026 Ferrari 296 Speciale reminds us that true greatness lies in balance between power and precision, form and function, past and future. This isn't just a car. This is art in motion. This is Ferrari at its finest.